Namaskaram. Hi guys. In this video we are going to see a AI voice agent which works for a dental clinic. And the interesting part in the video you are going to see is in every video you see on the YouTube, they'll show the calendar booking, right? They'll show, but um, just by the common sense, if you have the thing like in the clinic there won't be it won't be a single doctor, right? There are many for many various things for one surgery, for one like cleaning the teeth and some other things. Yeah, in this video I want to show you how to make multi calendar booking, which is easy in Retell AI. If you make it with other platform, it may look like some complex thing. We should have make.com in the backend if you use Vapi or any other platforms. But here in retail we have an inbuilt feature of like cal.com, so it's much easy here. And as if you didn't see my video where I explained the entire dashboard of Retell AI, you can check it in my YouTube channel. Yeah, if we go, firstly we will go with the prompt so that you can understand the brain, like what are the instructions we are giving to the AI voice agent. Like you are Maya and virtual receptionist with 10 years of experience. You can change it for your own dental clinic name and like the place where you are or where the location. And like it should be some burden on the AI so that it can have some responsibilities and it can make the work at the point, right? So, and I'm using like the system here is role, task, instructions for the agent and some other things. If you want to include, you can include some other things as well. Yeah, what are that? And mention that it should not go from these instructions so that it won't do any wrong things with our clients or someone who's speaking with. Yeah, if you want to check out my prompt, comment down me below. I will send you the prompt as well. And here you can see, hello, welcome to AI dental clinic and how can I help you. Yeah, you can change anything here if you don't like this. The main part comes here, right? Functions. Here end call function I already explained you in the that previous video, but I will show you how it works. Here end call function it as it is, and you should describe something like when it should be use this end call function. I said like when user says goodbye or thank you, then use a above function and above function for ending calling, for call ending, or you can say, right? So that it can use the end call function. And I specified here somewhere like use end call function, I think so, somewhere here. Yeah, just a minute. Okay, if you want we can enter now, like use the end call, not function, for ending the call, so that it can access or it can remember that it has a function called end call function, so that it can end the call by using end call function, right? Yeah, appointment availability, If you see here, this is the one checking availability, calendar availability. I named it as, if we have multiple doctors, right, we should know, and the agent should know for which doctor it is checking the availability and booking the appointment. So I gave the names here and here for two doctors. If I have three, you can mention the name as well and their appointment thing what you have given the name here. Using this function, I just like gave the name here and some description about what the doctor and what are his specialties are. You can enter anything you want here so that it can understand what the doctors do. It will recommend to the patient or someone who is asking for the appointment. These three you can get it on cal.com. You just go to cal.com and just sign up with your Google account. You will see this type of interface. And if you want to go to API keys, just go to settings. On the left side you can see API keys here. Just add one, just give a name and save. You can see how many days it should be expired. If you don't want it should be expired, then you can add this one, like no never expire means it won't expire, right? Then copy the API key which you got there and paste here in the API key column. And the ID, event ID, you can see the booking section, event type section. So you should create an event by clicking here, like giving the name, the URL, and some description about who is the doctor and what is the session about or the meeting about. I have created a sample here, like 15 minutes discussion, and the location is in Google Meet, or you can use Zoom as well, or you can use direct location of the hospital. And you can see here some 6 or 7 digits number. Just you copy this number and enter here so that it can access the event, like the booking events there. And it is for like time zone, for which time zone you are in. If you are India, you can use Asia slash Kolkata, and if you are in America or somewhere in America, you can use something like America Los Angeles or like same. Yeah, just make, you have like you have completed seeing the, what do you say, the availability of that particular doctor. And if you want to book an appointment, you can go with like book the appointment of a doctor and give the same, like name the appointment and some description about what the appointment will be or the doctor, about some doctor, and the same things here, like what you have got for the availability, the same should be here so that it can book the appointment for that particular doctor and just repeat it for the another doctor as well, but with different cal.com account. You can use here, if you are using like doctor, if you are using first account, you can use another account for the same thing, and you will get the API key and the event ID here, and just enter here and it's done, right? And here another function is called call transfer function, which is used for transferring the call to a real human or another AI agent as well. Just the same description as well, and the number for which you want to transfer the call. And here this type of what are you seeing here is a cold transfer, means it's just transfer the call when the user says just transfer the call to the agent or the real human. Then if we wants a warm call agent set, so that we can write something like like this, the number I came, the like it informs something like what is the user asking, right? You can transfer the call as well. Yeah, I think I have completed some, like what is the multi calendar appointment booking and checking availability as well. Yeah, I will show you a demo, like um, for one with test LLM and one with like audio, right? So because I have only three rupees 3 minutes for my agent, and you can add the real number for this AI dental agent, so that it can be continued with your phone as well. Yeah, firstly we'll go with the text one. I need, like, I need an appointment. I mean, Michael. If you are an existing customer, you know that you want to book an appointment with Michael. But if you are just a beginner or someone new for the clinic, you can ask who are the like you can say the problem and ask for the uh, doctor which suits your problem, and it will just give you the reference or suggest you the doctor, and you can book the appointment of that particular doctor. Yeah, Sai at gmail.com. Could you please provide your email address? Yeah. Yes. It is confirming that the email is correct or not, so that it won't send the email of like the confirmation email to that particular email. uh, Tomorrow. Oh, okay, we will ask like for what time you are free. Yeah, you can see it suggested me sometime like from 12 a.m. to 3:30 a.m. Yeah, you can notice it's not an Indian time, right? Because we have given the time zone like Los Angeles here, so that it is showing that particular time zone. You can change it as well. As per demo, I just keep it as well. Okay, we will go with 12:30. Yeah. Yeah, it is checking the availability using that tool here, Dr. Michael checking availability, and you can see the result here, like date Friday 2025 124 2025 at specific standard time and the time zone, which it got from the cal.com. And yeah, it has booked our appointment with Dr. Michael for tomorrow at 12 a.m. to 12:30. You can check it out here in, like, what you can say here, bookings. I think it's yeah, 8 Sai with Sai at 2 p.m. And here you can see it is in 12, like Indian standard times. If you are logging into the account, it will ask for which time zone should I use for the cal.com, and it will use that time zone here. So you can don't confuse there, you can just check it out there. And if I use the other same email doctor, it will just okay, we will go with the audio right now.
Hello, welcome to AI Dental Clinic. How can I help you?
Hey, hi, I just want to book an appointment with Emily.
I'd be happy to help you schedule an appointment with Dr. Emily Park. Could you please provide me with your name?
Yeah, my name is John.
Thank you, John. Could you please provide your email address? I'll confirm it by spelling it back to you.
Yeah, it's John123 at gmail.com.
Just to confirm, is your email john123 at gmail.com?
Yeah.
Great. What are your preferred dates and times for the appointment with Dr. Emily?
How about tomorrow 12:30 p.m.?
I've scheduled your appointment with Dr. Emily for tomorrow at 2:30 p.m. It seems there was an issue with scheduling your appointment due to a technical error. I apologize for the inconvenience. Would you like to try a different time? Or should I connect you with a human staff member to assist you further?
Okay, we will go with another time. You just recommend me what are the times you are free with.
Checking availability for Dr. Emily tomorrow. It appears that I'm currently unable to check Dr. Emily's availability due to a technical issue. I apologize for the inconvenience. Would you like to try a different time, or should I connect you with a human staff member to assist you further?
No, I think something got wrong. Yeah, as you saw, Dr. Emily's like booking, it's just came here like you have meeting with Sai and Adrian Sai right here in 11:51. Yeah, and I don't want to show the Emily appointment because there is some issue with my second cal.com account. So don't worry. And I think you have understood the core concept here. It's easy, and if any doctor or any dental clinic owner just want to make this type of AI agents for their hospitals or clinics, you just contact me here, and I will give my meeting link below so that you can just see how it's going to work. Right? Give a try so that it can improve the like response rate towards you, and it won't miss any single call and around the clock, right? Okay, and if you have any doubt or if you want me to explain any other topics in the particular video or in the retail AI, just comment down me below, and I will try my best to make a video on that as well. Thank you very much. And for today's video, I just want to recommend a name called Jihan Khan, and he is like I started retail AI with this guy who showed like from beginning he is like he will show some different topics and new updates he will show in less time. Like I will show a video here where he updated the video in just like one day, I think so. This retail AI notes, I think it came last week, and he have updated video on that in just one day or I think 2 days. Here also in video, not this video, I mean I think this video. Yeah, you can if you want to use or make some AI voice agents with this retail AI, you can follow him. He will also post some different content on retail AI. And the main reason I am suggesting here that if you follow someone and learning from them may take a good step if you are a beginner, right? And I search many videos so that someone from new won't take that much steps, so that I am recommending someone who gave me like a good click in my mind. So I think you can understand. And if you are really want to like learn AI or want to be in AI space, you can check it here. Thank you.